Rockhog. The Rockhog version of the 1150 XHD model has been designed for continuous surface mining. Its 10.3 wide drum is employed in bulk excavation project and open pit quarries. 50 metric ton class operating weight, 440 horsepower engine, elevating cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trenchtronic 3.3 equipped. The thing hit the rock from the top downward, and the impact increases the efficiency of excavation if the rock is brittle. All the available power of the Rockhog is used for excavating the rock. Excavated material is not mixed. Different materials can be separated during the loading process. Drum. Each winding section of the drum was 8 feet wide with an 8 feet flat pan section in the middle. The drum was 52 inches in diameter with 4.1 back slopes. Since the ditch liner itself is 2 feet deep, a 25-degree rise was achieved by implementing a 1 foot drop for every 4 feet run. It was pulled along by a cable trolley on both sides and was powerful by hydroscreed. The drum spinning action brought cream and fat to the surface and pushed the aggregate down without slumping the sides to the bottom. The cost in labor alone was also significantly less. On a 15-day project with a 10-person crew, costing roughly $400 per worker. The process could have cost roughly $60,000 in labor. With the same calculation on the carb roller 6-day custom drum method, the labor cost approximately $24,000, a 40% saving in a cost and more than 720 hours of saved manpower. Wuga Super 1803i. The Wuga Super 1803i spray jet is the world's only spray paver for placing thin asphalt overlay as well as conventional binder and surface courses. The new Wuga spray jet features a large row of impressive innovations. One key feature is that operation of the spray module has been integrated into the Ergo Plus 3 operating concept. Pavedock Assistant for better and safer communication when fitting the paver with mix. The Wuga Eco Plus low emissions package significantly reduces fuel consumption and noise levels. Uniform Dash 3 service concept ensures easy maintenance and cuts training costs. Duo Twister. The world novel to traffic lines, Duo Twister is an innovative patented ultra-high pressure water system with up to 50.760 psi for the resource-saving processing of surfaces like runways and aprons, and gigantic surface performance due to the powerful suction and the biggest working width worldwide of more than 3 meters. Loose rubber particles are sucked before the high-pressure water jets are used. In contrast to conventional cleaning system, the water jet hits the floor directly. There is no water logging, and the cleaning can be done in a way that covers our areas more resource savings. The clean surface is almost dry and can be put back into operation immediately or processed further. Unilock. Skip your manual tiling, now there is a Unilock paving stone laying machine. Place pavers and walls effortlessly at lightning speed. Reduce your labor cost while installing paving stones fast and precisely. Reduce shoulder, hand and knee of any injury. Another benefit is that it will help retain good workers and attract new ones. Unilock is designed to improve your bottom line significantly. Machine Pacer P22. This machine concentrates on the essentials. It is designed as a working machine and has an excellent price-performance ratio. It is powerful, easy to maintain, and has a user-friendliness that occasional users in particular appreciate. In contrast to all other paver laying machines, the lifting and lowering function is not carried out using a foot pedal, but using a joystick. That is why it's easy to use for any excavator's drivers. It is not necessary for the operator to get used to it.